Hey guys! Today's video is a quick recipe that I make when I want raw flavor without the fat. Since potatoes should not be eaten raw and I really want a healthier version of the decadent burger and fries duo, I make these instead. They're easy, crunchy, and delicious.
Ooh, stop! Remember that purple wiggly Tamaranian pie thing you made that was full of bugs?
My stewed grunt neck, which made you physically sick?
Yeah. You gotta cook up some of that.
No, this is not that recipe. For this recipe, you'll need one each red, green, orange, and yellow peppers, 1/2 teaspoon Trocomere seasoning, 1 tablespoon coconut or sesame oil. Trocomere is a mixture of freshly harvested organically grown herbs and vegetables from France, and these herbs and vegetables are mixed with pure sea salt. Trocomere enhances the flavor of any recipe naturally, and you can use it in place of salt for salads, if you eat eggs-baked dishes, any dips and sauces. Not even Cyborg. First, core and slice each pepper. Save the cores for making vegetable broth or pepper relish. Place peppers in a large bowl and toss with oil. Now, if you're using peppers from the fridge, don't use coconut oil or you'll have a hardened mess. Sprinkle with Trocomere seasoning and toss again. You're good to go. Pair with my raw barbecue veggie burger recipe or even with the delicious Beyond Meat burger. They are so good, you'll never miss the meat, and they can be grilled. Snack on these while watching TV. Carry as a quick summer snack. Hey, you can even freeze them and use in recipes.
I may not be smart enough to do everything, but I'm dumb enough to try anything.
Just try this recipe.